How to file taxes as a 1099 employee. So first you'll need to know your status, because a 1099 worker is usually an independent contractor, not a regular employee. So you'll need to start by collecting your tax forms. Usually you would gather your 1099 NEC and K invoices, payment records, and business expense receipts. Next thing, you'll need to report income on Schedule C. So independent contractors generally report 1099 income on Schedule C, profit or loss from business, of course. Next, you will need to deduct business expenses. So you'd need to add eligible expenses like supplies, software, mileage, phone, internet, equipment, or any other costs like home office or stuff like that. Then you would need to calculate self-employment tax. Usually you would use this form right here. If your net self-employment earnings are $400 or more, you generally file a Schedule SE to calculate Social Security and Medicare tax. So you would need to file Form 1040 and attach Schedule C and Schedule SE to your personal tax return. And the next step is to pay quarterly estimated taxes. Since taxes usually are not withheld from 1099 income, you may need to make quarterly estimated payments using your Form 1040 ES, which is this form right here. You can find on the IRS website. So it's for the estimated tax for individuals. So if you need any of these forms, you'd usually go to the irs.gov and type in the search bar the form name, and you should get a link to get it as the PDF version and use it or download it if you want. And the last thing you'll need to do is save copies. So you should always keep your filed return, 1099s, receipts, and payment confirmations for your records. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.